So, I'm in a crazy nerf floor. I'm really trying to escape. It's really hard. So, pause it, and I'm gonna go hide. Okay, let's go. I'm going to hide. As you can see, I got my protective glasses on. I'm walking over this way. Is this open? Okay, meet me on this side. Okay, I just jumped that fast. Now let's go. I see one. Sorry about that. There's two. They're teaming up. Ah! Oh wait, I just. Ah! I got one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Doing the same thing, me. Okay. I just got down. This is my 100th video and the first time I've ever filmed it. So please consider subscribing because of those reasons. I see him. I see him. So let's hide. We're gonna hide. What the? I thought I saw him. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna go find him. I see him. Yarden! They just said Holden. This is so funny. Okay, I'm gonna try to shoot them. Let's kick this door down. Okay, that didn't work. We're doing the same. Actually, I'm not gonna hear. I hear me on the side of the gate. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna pause and go. I haven't even shot one bullet. Okay, let's go find those. They can't still be here. This is where they were. So that would be impossible. I just heard them. So I'd be really quiet.